Imagine selling custom products online without ever touching inventory today. You'll learn how to connect Printful and WooCommerce to make that happen. First, go to your WooCommerce dashboard, navigate to the plugins section, and search for the official Printful plugin. Install and activate it. Once activated, a new Printful menu will appear. Click on it to start the setup, which will prompt you to connect your store to your Printful account. You'll be redirected to Printful to log in or create a free account. Then, authorize the connection to allow the two platforms to sync seamlessly. After connecting, return to the Printful section in WooCommerce. Here, you can sync your store details and configure essential settings like tax and shipping preferences. Now for the exciting part, adding products inside Printful. Browse their catalog, select a product like a t-shirt or mug, and upload your design. Once you've customized your product, save it. Printful will then automatically push this new product, with its mockups and pricing, directly into your WooCommerce store. When a customer buys that product, the order appears in both your WooCommerce and Printful dashboards. Printful automatically fulfills it, printing, packing, and shipping it directly to your customer. That's it, you're now dropshipping custom print-on-demand products, automating fulfillment, and scaling your brand effortlessly with Printful and WooCommerce.